excuse me. We're gonna do a theme, and of course we're gonna have soft scrub in it. But I don't know if we're gonna tell y'all just yet. What is it gonna be? It's gotta be a secret. The purpose of this is ASMR, visual and auditory. Is that right? Am I saying that right? Auditory, audibly, you know what I mean. Hey, love ASMR. Bruh. So, I've had a secret for a couple of months now, but I'm actually doing a clean talk meetup in January. So if anyone wants to come, it will be at my house. Pregnant? Girl, what the hell? Miss Powder, you're actually here. There's a couple of, there's literally like some of your favorite, okay, there's like a couple of favorite creators that's coming. But I can't say, I wasn't even gonna announce, I really wasn't even gonna say anything until January. But, so if y'all wanna come to Houston to meet yours truly, it could be a supporter. It could be a supporter, or it could be like, it could be the people that's coming to my house are creators. But you can come too if you're a supporter. We are planning to do a live, but if y'all want to come and hang out like during the day before that, or we got to figure out the details, because I didn't expect like that many people to come. I literally, it was only a few people that I knew were coming, and I was like, well, I guess I'll announce it. But I'm like, hey, well, maybe some other people want to come to my house. Like, maybe they want to see me. The ones I told you about. I'm gonna have to get back to you, Carla. You're able to come. Hey, Double. Imagine Love ASMR in my house. It's gonna be the weekend of January 24th. Wait, you hope it's, look, I can't say. I can't say who's coming. Yeah, not to stay with me. You know a handful who need to what? I know who need to come on. But like, stop playing. I know not everybody's gonna be able. Oh shit. Dang. Your birthday is January 5th. My birthday is January 30th. And the meetup is the weekend before my birthday. So birthday live? Hello? Y'all want to come for my birthday live? I got people coming for my birthday live. They play this when I'm out of town. Okay, I didn't want to give that information away, soft scrub, because a soft scrub hoe was supposed to be there because she lives in Houston. She's already been to my house, but she told me she's gonna go to New York. In New York. Your birthday is this Sunday, Meg? Or you mean that Sunday? I'll do you a video. Your birthday is January, big Aquarius, January Aquarius, mind you. You've watched my stream since the first. I don't think anybody has been here since the very first one. I had like 3 people in there. Here's the 31st. Wait, what? Ah, shit, I missed the comment. Someone said they like how I something individual. Damn. Damn it. Hi, Jules. If you just sent a long message, I didn't get a chance to read it. It went by so fast. Gonna have your daughter on my birthday. What? Oh, how good does it smell? It smells amazing. It smells so good that you want to eat it, but then you can't. Miffy or February Aquarius? I don't think I know too many February Aquarius, actually. No, Kate, I'm sold out. Unless, oh, let me stop. I'm just trying to sell, but I'd rather you send when it's the next live. Because I have cans, but I'm trying to save them. Y'all keep buying all my shit, damn. Hold on, she's like, Gigi, don't stop. Is that how you said that? You're nasty. Hey, Essie. Oh, my birthday is January 30th. Wait till next time, okay. She's like, well, I thought that's how she said it. Like, I don't know. Bruh, that just got in my mouth. See, that's what I get for talking shit. Smell good, look great. Shitted on the plate. Got... Bruh. Ah! You said, oh my God. A little freaky. A little freaky girl. I'm gonna tell you, man. Jail. Bruh, do y'all know? Do you know? Look, I'm gonna ask y'all if y'all know this person. Are y'all ready? Okay, y'all need to type ready in the chat. You'll be back in 30 minutes? Okay, perfect. You're a Leo. I don't even know what the hell these signs are. All I know is I'm a January Aquarius. Okay, type ready in the chat. I'm gonna ask y'all if y'all know this person. I'm gonna ask y'all. Ready? Okay. Do you know the Muffin Man? Do you know? Bruh. And people that's been following me since the beginning know, like, this is me. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly who I'm supposed to be, yeah. If you've been following me since the very, very beginning, yeah. The one on Dream Lane, bro, see, yes. You know what I'm talking about. you miss my hangouts after the live? See, that's what I mean. Like, y'all been here since I was running around. All this extra stuff. Oh yes, okay. Let's get these last cans in. Unless y'all really want to add more cans. I mean, I don't know. Hey, Kayla.